squeeze. You have to be very careful with all these cars with the wings, you know, you don't want any interference, so just gotta squeeze them in. Now here we've got a car that has a lot of weight in the front, and a big, really tall hood there too. Interesting. Uh-oh. Calling the pit crew, the wheel fell off. What's that? Alright, lucky that didn't happen during the race. I think we'll actually put this one over here. There we go, that's all good. Now finally we've got one of the... like there was a plate in the way of getting the wheel on there well, so that's tough. But this is a very slick car. That's like all the smooth. I think actually, whose car is this? You might need to. The wheel won't go on properly because the plate in the back is getting in the way if you want to try and make some changes real quick. Alright, well the wheel is not going on quite all the way, but we'll keep it there. Risky play, let's see if it works out. But this car is highly aerodynamic, so I'm excited to see what it does there on the track. Alright, and that is the tracks all loaded up, so it is time to start. If you see your car up here at the top,
can't hear him. Let me get down there to see if I can get a video.
Alright, we'll run on the reserve power for a little bit. Okay, so we found out who our racers are, so let's get this started before the mic runs out of batteries again in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and go! Oh! What a comeback! I thought the long car in lane 4 would win, but the car in lane 5 pulled ahead. Whose car was this? Man, it really looked like it just hit the gas in the straightaway. Well done, well done. If you want a picture, here you go. Just make sure to return it over here. Congratulations to our winner over there.
Ah, he done it.
All right, and now for our next race over here. Who are our racers? Give me a shout. All right, they're all ready, so let's go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and race. Ooh. Looks like some wings fell off, and I don't know, I think that was a tie between the cars in lane 3 and 5. Just barely ahead of that car in lane 2. Well done, well done. What a race, what a race. Whose car was this? Great job, great job.